With the launch of anti-gravity, Google has changed coding forever. With this tool, you no longer have to learn the complex syntaxes. You no longer have to spend hours debugging the code. Finally, you no longer have to spend months to learn basics just to get started on your idea. So welcome to the channel. It's your host, Future AI Overlord. For the past 3 years, we've been in the era of co-piloting, which means the tools like ChatGPT, cursors, they helped you in assisting the code. They sat right beside you and giving you the instruction. Think of it like a GPS. It gives you the instruction, but you still had to drive the car. Here are 5 ways that this tool is different and why you need to care, whether you code or not. When you write code in anti-gravity, don't think yourself as a coder, think yourself as a manager. Generally, the manager's role is to give a task to the employee and employee will do the thing. Similarly, in anti-gravity, you don't type code, you type goals. You tell it to build a login page and it handles everything, the logic and the design. What this means is you can now build software at the speed of your thought, not at the speed of your typing. So as a manager, you won't be having one employee under you, right? You will be having multiple employees and you will be assigning different tasks to them. Similarly, anti-gravity uses agents. Okay, think of agents like an employee. You can assign one employee to write a code and you can assign design work to another employee. Basically, you are getting a senior engineering team for free and you are no longer working alone. The problem with most AI is that they are trained on the old data. When you give it an error that is not a part of training data, it will start hallucinating and try guessing the fix instead of giving you the actual solution. In anti-gravity, if it doesn't know something, it actually searches the internet, reads the manuals, and then try to implement it, whether it's writing a code or fixing the bug. That's the advantage. The anti-gravity gives you visual feedback. Before writing any line of code, it gives you a task file and implementation file. Okay, in task file, it will detail you what are the things that it's supposed to do. And in the implementation file, it will give you how it's going to do the things. Okay, once you read it and once you approve it, then only it starts writing the code. Even if you don't know what the code is, you'll still be able to understand what it's doing and how it's doing. That's way more useful even if you're not a coder. Finally, the value shift. If the AI is taking care of the logic and syntaxes, the only thing that left for us is creativity. The barrier to entry isn't technical anymore. All we need is a good eye for design and user experience. So it's no longer about what language you know or how much you know. It's all about what can you imagine. So what does this mean for the folks like you and me? It only means that the excuse that I cannot code is gone. You are the director now, you have the staff and you have the tools. The only thing that's missing is your ideas. So download this tool and make your ideas a reality. And subscribe to the channel if you want me to create a beginner guide on this tool. See you in the next one.